Welcome to a realm where shadows dance with gold. This is not merely a residence, it is a $10 million statement of intent. Nestled above the iconic silhouettes of Paris, we are exploring a home that redefines the royalty aesthetic for the modern age. Through the lens of soft charcoal boiserie and the glimmer of brushed brass, we witness the perfect marriage of historic soul and contemporary edge. Step inside a sanctuary designed for those who find peace in drama and luxury in the details. The journey begins at a facade that commands silence. This architectural marvel reimagines the classic Parisian limestone hotel particulier with a daring, monochromatic twist. The exterior, finished in deep charcoal stone, features sharp, geometric lines that pay homage to traditional boiserie without the weight of the past. As twilight descends, the high-contrast spotlighting catches the brushed brass window frames, casting a golden glow against the dark masonry. It is a fortress of sophistication, standing as a stark, beautiful contrast to the historic streetscape. Inside, the air changes. The living room is a cathedral of Moody elegance, where the walls are wrapped in hand-carved charcoal gray paneling. Every inch of the boiserie is accented by recessed brass strips that guide the eye toward the soaring ceilings. A massive slate velvet sectional anchors the space, resting upon a hand-woven silk rug that shimmers under a tiered crystal chandelier. The lighting is intentionally dramatic, carving deep shadows and brilliant highlights that make the room feel like a living painting. It is opulent, yet intimately curated. Ascending the grand staircase, we reach the mezzanine, a floating gallery of light and shadow. The custom-forged brass railing acts as a piece of functional jewelry, its intricate patterns reflecting the ambient glow from the living room below. This space serves as a transitional sanctuary, featuring a private reading nook upholstered in charcoal velvet. From this vantage point, the scale of the architecture truly reveals itself, offering a cinematic view of the home's interior volume. It is the perfect spot for quiet reflection amidst grand design. In this kitchen, functionality meets high fashion. The design discards traditional white marble for a bold, moody palette. Matte charcoal cabinetry hides state-of-the-art appliances, while the central island, a monolithic slab of Calcutta marble, provides a bright, veined contrast. Brushed brass hardware and designer stools inject a sense of warmth into the cool, dark surroundings. It is a space designed for the Epicurean, where every meal is prepared against a backdrop of Parisian rooftops visible through floor-to-ceiling glass. The home office, or working room, is a masterclass in executive focus. Wrapped entirely in floor-to-ceiling soft charcoal boiserie, the room feels like a private cocoon. A heavy, bespoke marble desk with architectural brass legs takes center stage, illuminated by a singular, high-contrast designer lamp. A cognac leather armchair provides a solitary note of warmth, breaking the monochrome theme with calculated precision. This is where legacies are built, framed by the quiet prestige of the Parisian skyline and the stillness of the dark decor. This is the crown jewel of the estate, the master suite. Symmetrically perfect, the oversized bed is anchored by a floor-to-ceiling charcoal velvet headboard that feels soft yet architectural. Modern brass pendant lights drop from the ceiling like golden pendants, flanking the bedside with a warm, focused glow. The heavy silk curtains, thick and lustrous, frame a panoramic view of the Eiffel Tower and the zinc rooftops. It is a moody, romantic retreat that balances the weight of the charcoal walls with the softness of luxury textiles. The master bath is a temple of stone and steam. Clad in book-matched charcoal marble, the space feels carved from a single block of earth. A matte black freestanding tub sits beneath a dramatic brass chandelier, creating a focal point of pure indulgence. The high-contrast lighting is softened by the natural glow of Paris filtering through silk vanity drapes. Every fixture, from the rain shower to the taps, is finished in hand-polished gold, ensuring that even the most routine moments are elevated to a royal experience. The rooftop is where the $10 million price tag truly makes sense. This expansive terrace offers an unobstructed 360-degree view of the City of Light. Dark slate flooring and charcoal lounge furniture disappear into the night, allowing the glowing brass fire pit and the city lights to dominate the visual field. It is a space designed for midnight champagne and high-altitude entertaining. The contrast between the dark, moody furniture and the sparkling horizon creates a sense of being suspended in the stars above the historic Parisian streets. Rare for a city like Paris, the backyard is a secret, sunken courtyard of immense privacy. A black-bottom pool reflects the charcoal boiserie walls like a dark mirror, creating a hauntingly beautiful aesthetic. Ivy climbs the dark stone, softened by the warm glow of brass outdoor sconces that trace the perimeter. It is an urban oasis that feels miles away from the bustle, a place where the dramatic and the serene coexist in perfect harmony. This is the ultimate luxury, a private outdoor sanctuary in the heart of the capital. The front yard, or cour d'honneur, serves as the formal transition between the world and the manor. Symmetrical and disciplined, it features manicured topiary trees housed in bespoke charcoal stone planters. The black cobblestone driveway, polished to a subtle sheen, catches the light from the brass fixtures mounted on the facade. Every element is designed to lead the eye toward the grand entrance, reinforcing the home's status and its commitment to a high-contrast, moody aesthetic that is both welcoming and intimidatingly beautiful. Thank you for joining this exploration of architectural shadow and light. In a world of white walls, choosing the dark path is a mark of true confidence. This $10 million modern Parisian take proves that when you balance charcoal, brass, and history, you don't just build a home, you craft a legend. If you enjoyed this journey into opulence, stay tuned for our next architectural deep dive. Until then, keep dreaming in high contrast. Would you like me to generate a specific video script format with camera cues, e.g., pan, zoom, close-up, based on these narrations?